Hello there, welcome to Genesis Smalls. My name is Bob Wardren. In this video we're going to be having an inbox review of something a little bit different. It is the Airfix quick build Typhoon. Now I've wanted to do this one because it is Airfix and it's it's all targeted towards kids, so I'm kind of like wondering, is this potentially a good Christmas present or a birthday present to give the kids, the grandkids, whatever. Now they are kind of sort of new-ish, and there's a couple that have come out. It's around about the £13. Well, I paid £13 for it at Hobby Craft. So just a quick look at the instructions here. The instructions are pretty quick. There's like 6 of them to collect at this moment in time. Some nice aircrafts, 109 Spitfires, F-35s, Apaches, Hawks, and the Typhoon that we've got in front of us here. The instructions do fold out rather sort of nicely, and it is really easy to follow. To be fair, I've already got this out the bag, built it, taken it apart again, and I'm going to show you. The instructions are so easy to follow. Each picture is just placing one piece at a time, clearly showing you where it's all going in colour and everything. So looking at what else we've got the actual pieces. Right, now this isn't like a proper model kit because it's targeted towards kids, so we haven't got decals and painting and gluing. Instead of decals we have these. We have some actual stickers. I've already stuck one on just to sort of test it, and it is just here. As you can see, it's not that bad, and it does stick down reasonably well. Not really come off at all yet, but yeah, we've got a couple of stickers there just to sort of show the squadron off and a bit of markings and roundels and stuff. We do have it for in-flight display. No sort of landing gear with this one, but it's quite easy just to sort of pop this together. We get a nice display stand. Pretty sort of easy stuff. Then it's kind of very Lego-y and model-y sort of. Just think Lego and Airfix having a baby. This is what would come out, because what we've got is we've got the usual sort of Airfix. We've got nice surface detail. We've got recessed panel lines going on just in here as well, which is all rather cool. We tip it over again, recessed panel lines and everything, but then we've got these Lego bits going on. So the canopies, they are sort of very sort of Lego-y, not your professional canopies, but it's all based on kids. And we've got some Lego pieces as well, which sort of helps the structure, the red pieces, and it is quite cool because we've got lots of pieces going on here, as you can see. All sorts of recessed panel line, tail sections, nose sections as well. Where's the other part of the nose section? And we've already got sort of all the detail all there. So as a quick one, if we move this across, get out the instructions. I mean, it's so easy. I can just quickly show you. We've got step 1 here, and it's basically saying get your 2 wing sections, and we can just nicely just pop these together like so, and there we go. Already we have what is the wing section going on. Very quick, very easy. A kid is just going to easily pick this up. Then we've got next step, we've got a 6 lung piece, a double 6 lung piece here. It actually shows you on the little pegs here that stick up, shows you in colour where it needs to start, so we know that goes there, and we just pop that down and we follow it along and along until we've got it built up. And there you go, just like that, it's all nice and built. I haven't put the stickers on yet, but there you go, all built, done and dusted. Like the stand that comes with it, we can take it off, and they can play with it, which I think is the whole point. All in all, it's a nice, quick, easy build. It just takes no time at all to build it. It seems really sort of solid as well. I mean, I can imagine a kid flying this around the room, even throwing it, and it's, you know, it taking quite a beating, which is basically, I think that's what it's all about. It's all about kids building something quick, easy. That's Lego's easy. There's no gluing, no painting, and they can play with it, smash it about, and it's probably going to be very, very durable. So yeah, I think this is a big thumbs up. Great Christmas present, because Christmas is coming up. Birthday presents for the kids, the grandkids, nephews and nieces, whoever you want to sort of give your kids a good present, because it is a good sort of gateway into the hobby, which is what the whole point is of these. So it's definitely a big thumbs up. I'm really sort of loving it. I'm also going to be giving this away as a competition prize later on this week, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, big thumbs up for Airfix and their easy builds, wherever the box has gone, for their quick build Typhoon by Airfix. So yeah, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Gents Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.